Okay, here we are. This is a job that I recently looked at in Trenton, New Jersey. It's a big slate repair. I deployed my Tello drone so I could get an overall look at a slate condition, get an account of how many are bad, so I could throw a bid out there. Typically, people would use binoculars or set ladders up, crawl all over the place, possibly do more damage than good. Now, mind you, I'm just giving an estimate. I didn't get the job yet. I don't believe I'll get the job. Time is money. I don't want to spend an hour, 2 hours looking over a job or doing damage to a roof that I don't own yet. As soon as I get the deposit or I start working on it, I own it. It's different. As we look around, you could easily see where the check marks and X's are. As we move to the next clip, it'll be obvious to you which ones are the culprits. Usually I can see these from the ground, but when you have all these obstacles in the way and hidden slate problems, I want to give a realistic account so that I know what kind of budget I'm working with and what the customer could be working with. Drones are more readily used in big commercial projects. I think for the right size drone and the right price, they could be used in your home or small project. While these aren't fancy, they're $100 Tello drones. They don't measure up things or stuff like that in that scope. But you could get good close up imagery without hopefully being in too much danger of hitting obstacles or getting stuck in a tree. If you lose one, which I have, because of a lack of communication or lost signal, they're $100. You're really not out much. For me to scale around this roof and give an honest estimate would take well over an hour.